Hi everyone, today we make garlic pepper beef steak inspired by Jollibee. Let's start by slicing 500 grams of beef sukiyaki. Sukiyaki cut is perfect for this dish because it doesn't shrink when cooked. Then of course, this dish wouldn't be complete without garlic. Once the pan is hot, add some oil in it. Saute the garlic. Then, once it's slightly brown, add in the beef. Add in a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and sliced mushrooms. Saute this for 1 to 2 minutes and then set aside as we make the gravy. Using the same pan, add in a nub of butter. You can use unsalted butter, but I'm using a plant-based butter. Completely melt this, then add in the excess oil from the cooked beef. Then add in 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix this all together until you form a roux. Then slowly add the water. Add in half chicken cubes and a half beef cubes. Dissolve this again and mix by adding water. Once it dissolves and as we can see that it's turning into a gravy, add in a pinch of black pepper and of course some garlic flakes. It's time to proceed to the plating. Here's a cup of hot rice and the beef. Let's top the beef with our gravy. And some crispy garlic flakes. And here's our Jollibee inspired garlic pepper beef. Thanks for watching!